Kuwait and Qatar are both members of the Cooperation Council for the Arab States of the Gulf. From 2018 to 2024, the bilateral trade between Hong Kong and the two countries grew by approximately 40%. Under the Belt and Road Initiative, investments from mainland China in Kuwait and Qatar have also increased significantly. From 2013 to 2023, the annual average growth rates reached 21.6% and 11.6%, respectively. The Hong Kong Trade Development Council states that Hong Kong can further provide financial and professional services to assist mainland enterprises in entering the Gulf region.
We also see very strong demand from the mainland enterprises to look into overseas expansion, and increasingly they are looking into the Belt and Road related markets. From our survey, 95% of the mainland companies like to look into the Belt and Road markets. Most importantly, they are smaller companies that they did not really have the international expertise, and they would like to seek for help. And when we ask them, actually 77% of them would like to go to Hong Kong to either to look into financial services or professional service support to make sure they have a success in the international market. So that's why we will see that Hong Kong will play a very important role in, serving this shifting, or I would say trade and investment diversion into the Belt and Road market, especially the Middle East market.
Irina Fan pointed out that both the Qatari and Kuwaiti governments aim to diversify their economies and incorporate elements of innovation and sustainable development. The current uncertain international trade and investment environment, together with geopolitical instability, has also prompted both countries to seek to strengthen investments in the Asian region, thereby presenting opportunities for Hong Kong.